Ever walked into your kitchen after your little brother's experiment with tomato sauce? It's like a crime scene from a food fight movie. Total chaos. Hey curious minds, welcome back to Word of the Day. Today's word is carnage. Say it with me. Carnage. It might sound a little dramatic, and trust me, it is. Carnage means wild, messy destruction, especially when there's a lot of damage or, in the old days, even a lot of, well, bodies. But don't worry, it's not always scary. So, in plain English, if you walk into a room and it looks like a tornado had a dance party in there, that's carnage. Picture a classroom after a paper airplane competition. Papers everywhere, chairs knocked over, someone's lunch stuck to the whiteboard. That's not just a mess, my friend, that's pure carnage. Okay, let's break it down with an analogy. Imagine your favorite superhero, let's say, the Hulk. When he gets mad, he doesn't just leave a mess, he leaves, you guessed it, carnage. Smashed cars, broken windows, maybe a streetlight or two lying on the ground. Or think spaghetti night at my house. Sauce on the ceiling, noodles on the dog, forks missing in action. That's culinary carnage. Now let me tell you a quick story. Last summer my family decided to have a backyard water balloon fight. Teams were formed, alliances were broken. And my grandma, yes, grandma, was the sneakiest player of them all. After 20 minutes, our backyard looked like a battlefield. Popped balloons everywhere, drenched clothes, someone's lost flip-flop hanging on the fence, and a suspiciously quiet dog hiding under the table. My mom stepped outside and gasped, "What happened out here?" I just shrugged and said, "Carnage, Mom. Pure carnage." So, where do you see this word in the real world? First, sports commentators love it. It was carnage on the field after that last-minute goal. Second, in movies, especially superhero or disaster films, you'll hear, "The city was left in carnage." And third, teachers might use it after a wild art class. "Please clean up the carnage before you leave." Alright, let's wrap it up. Carnage means wild, chaotic destruction. Think giant mess, but with a dramatic twist. Next time you see a big mess, impress your friends and call it carnage. If you had fun learning today, hit that like button, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for another awesome word of the day. See you soon, Word Explorers.